Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 4 raised to power t plus 4 raised to power t plus 4 raised to power t plus 4 raised to power t equals 30. You have to find the value of t. So we will start solving this question. As first of all we will take 4 raised to power t as common from this. So remaining is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 30. Now this will become 4 into 4 raised to power t, and this will become equals 30. Now you can see we have 4 is multiplied here, it will be divided to this side. So 4 raised to power t equals 30 by 4. Now we will take log on both sides. So take log on both sides. What we will have? We have log of 4 raised to power t equals log of 30 by 4. Now in the next step we will solve this as power is in the start. T log 4 equals log of 30 minus log of 4. Now 4 is multiplied here, it will be divided to this side. We have t equals log of 30 divided by log of 4 minus log of 4 divided by log of 4. Log of 4 and log of 4 both are cancelled out. We have log 30 by log 4. Minus 1. Now we will solve this as by taking the LCM of this and have write this here that t equals log of 30 divided by log of 4 minus 1. Now what will it become? We will solve this as log of 2 times 3 times 5 divided by log of 2 square minus 1. Now this equation will become log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 5 in the denominator 2 log of 2 minus 1. Now we have t equals log of 2 by log of 2 plus log of 3 by 2 log 2 plus log of 5 divided by 2 log 2 minus 1. Then log 2 and log 2 both are cancelled out. We have t equals 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log basis 2 and 3 plus 1 by 2 log basis 2 5 minus 1. Now we will solve this as we get 1 by 2 as common, or 1 by 2 is minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, then plus 1 by 2 log base is 2 3 plus 1 by 2 log base 2 and 5. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117. and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.